Hey guys, Lindsey Curtis here with Surface Hair, and I'm going to show you how to do a very quick up style in less than 5 minutes. Every up style has to have good prep. So I sprayed Haley's hair down from the top all the way down to the bottom with Trinity dry shampoo. My next step is one of my favorite products for up styling, which is Surface Push Powder. You literally just tap and you push it into the hair. The next step is Taffy whip. Now that I have all the texture, I'm gonna create a loop. And when I come through to create this loop, the Taffy whip is gonna give me an excellent pull. And I'm gonna twist the loop. And you just simply pull the hair through the loop. And I'm gonna continue all around the middle section of Haley's hair with this crochet hook. So I simply pull the last thread through and I push it towards the scalp. I'm going to take a bobby pin, I'm going to open it up, and I'm going to push into Haley's hair to hold it in place. Awaken hairspray is great for not only the hold factor, but it's excellent for working spray. So we want to pull it apart like little hearts. You could even use a little bit of your Taffy whip for control at this point as well. And after I feel like I got good volume, we're gonna lock this tail in place. And I kept that tail out so I could really easily pull it. If I lock it too soon, then the hair is just gonna stay in place. Lastly, we're gonna finish with a little bit more texture. So push powder is awesome for the ends as well. Lock it into place with Awaken hairspray, and always the last step to a great up style is shine. So that's Bassu shine spray. So we're just gonna lock everything in place with a little bit of love and a little bit of shine. And that's our 5-minute updo with Surface Hair.